Welcome to Selenium Master video tutorial. You can find more video on seleniummaster.com. In this video tutorial, you will learn Selenium test automation. What is Selenium? Selenium is an open source web test automation tool used for automating web-based application tests. Selenium has several components. Selenium IDE, which is a Firefox plugin used for recording and playing back test application. Selenium RC. It also called as Selenium Remote Controller. That is Selenium server to launch and interact with web browsers. Selenium Client Driver, which is a Selenium API which can be used with many languages. Selenium Grid, which is a Selenium hub to launch multiple tests at the same time or distribute tests to different test machines. Selenium WebDriver backed Selenium. This is used to run Selenium RC applications with Selenium WebDriver. WebDriver does not require a running instance of the Selenium server. This picture is the graphical user interface for Selenium IDE. After you install Selenium IDE, you open Selenium IDE from the Tools menu on Firefox, and then you will see this graphical user interface. It has menu bar, it has base URL, the test case, and command and each test step. The red icon here is showing that you can record your application, or you can use the play button to play back the recorded step. Selenium IDE file menu. This is the frequently used menu for managing your test cases. In this file menu, you can create a new test cases, or you can open an existing test cases. Also, you can create a test suite. So test suite, basically it is a group of test cases. So it's used for managing your test cases in one place. And the edit, actions, and options has different functionality. So you can use each menu for doing different actions. Selenium supports many languages. Under option menu, if you look at the format, you will see HTML, C#, JUnit, TestNG. So basically, Selenium supports HTML, .NET, Java, Ruby, and Python languages. After you record your application, you can export the test cases to different languages and directly use it in your compiler. If it's Java, you can use it in Eclipse, or if it's in .NET, you can use Visual Studio. Selenium has a lot of features. It works anywhere. JavaScript is supported. Selenium scripts supports many other languages: Java, .NET, Ruby, Python. Selenium can simulate a user navigation through pages and web elements. Selenium can verify and assert information on the web page. In Selenium, the actual script is HTML based, so easy to learn and use it right away. By using Selenium, you can create a test suite that includes multiple test cases. You can run the test suite with Selenium IDE or Selenium command line. Selenium API can support multiple browsers, so application browser compatibility can be tested very easily. Selenium IDE contains rich commands to use when recording and playing back test applications. Selenium Mobile Device API can test mobile application. In this video tutorial, you learned what is Selenium Test Automation and what components Selenium is composed of, and also you understood the features of Selenium Test Automation. If you want to master Selenium, please visit the website www.seleniummaster.com. You will see very useful video tutorial and test scripts and also test application on the seleniummaster.com website. Thank you.